Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you today? I hope everyone are doing great. So today I'm going to present my presentation, but before that I would like to thank God and also thank Ma'am Jill for giving me this opportunity. Okay, our topic today is about structure of procedure text. Especially we will discuss about materials, steps, and without the materials. But before that, let us open our Bible, or you can just see in the screen the memory verse that related with the topic without materials is taken from Genesis 1 verse 1 until 2 that said, "In the beginning God created the heaven and the earth. Now the earth was formless and empty. Darkness was over the surface of the deep, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters." You know that God doesn't need a materials for making this whole wide world, our beloved world. I know, right? God is mighty, powerful. The next is related with the topic materials and steps. It is taken from Genesis 2 verse 7 that said, Then the Lord God formed a man from the dust of the ground and breathed into his nostril the breath of life, and the man became a living being. But when God made Adam, God actually need a few material and steps. As you guys can see on the screen, there are a materials and a few steps of how God made Adam. Let's see the picture of how God made Adam. He formed and then he breathed the breath of life. Yeah. Okay, let's move on to our topic. The first is procedure text, materials or ingredients. Let's see the definition of materials. Materials is consists of materials used in making something. I hope you guys can understand because this is very clear and very easy to understand. Okay. For the example, the materials to make an omelette are egg, onion, vegetable oil, salt, and pepper. Yeah, these are the materials. Okay, next procedure text steps. Let's see the definition of steps. On step, it contains the steps or sequences that must be done so that the goal outlined in begin aim or goal to be achieved. Steps or sequences must be ordered from the first to the last. Let's see the example. Goal is how to make a cheese omelet. The steps are crack an egg into a bowl. Second, whisk the egg with a fork until it is smooth. Third, add milk and whisk well. Fourth, grate the cheese into the bowl and stir. Fifth, heat the oil in a frying pan. 6. Pour the mixture into the frying pan. 7. Turn the omelette with a spatula when it turns brown. 8. Cook both sides. 9. Place on a plate, season with salt and pepper. And lastly, number 10, eat while it's still warm. Next, procedure text without the materials. Not all parts of procedure text includes materials. Sometimes a procedure text does not have a part materials. There are three types of procedural text that do not use the materials, namely procedural text that identifies something works or how to do the instruction manual. Let's see the example. Example, how to use the video game, the computer, the tape recorder, the fax, and the rest. Next, procedural text instructs how to do certain activities with unregulated. For example, road safety rules, video game rules, and the rest. Third is procedural text related to nature or human behavior. For example, how to live happily, how to success. Okay, let's recap again what have we discussed. Conclusion. First, procedural text informs your audience how to do or make something. So procedural text informs how to do or make something. Second, structure of procedure text, materials or ingredients is used in making something. As we just learned before, how to make omelette. The materials are egg, onion, vegetable oil, salt, and pepper. Okay, next, the third one, structure of procedural text. Steps or sequences must be ordered from the first to the last. So we need a steps in everything. Yeah, in making something, we all need a step. Fourth, procedural text without material. It identifies something works or how to do the instruction manual, as we just learned before. For example, video game, fax, and computer. Next, it is instruct how to do certain activities with unregulated. For example, road safety rules, video game rules, and the rest. Next, lastly, it is related to the nature or human behavior. For example, how to live happily and how to success. My topic actually stops here. And by the way, my references are from this link. You can search it if you want. Okay, thank you for your attention. I hope everyone could understand. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. And don't forget that we have Ma'am Jill to help me answer your question. That's all from me. God bless us today and always.